Hi there, this is Tracy Bowman, Bowman for Art on Facebook, and I just put some house paint down on my 6x6 canvas, and I've been having a lot of fun with this particular color combination that you'll see. Just reminds me of a warm sunset. It's very pretty. I like it. I'm just putting a little paint on my edges. I'm going to spin it out. We'll check my edges. I like to make sure my edges are fine before I even start. I don't want to be touching something up later. I like my painting to be really organic. So I can see that there's just one little tiny spot here, and we're good to go. All right, so I'm going to start with 24 karat gold. I'm going to put it right in the middle, or somewhat in the middle. And that's going to be where my flower starts. And I'm going to go with my leaves, and this is Festive Green by Art Metallics. And I'm going to blow out my leaves first. But I like to variegate them. Put a little extra color in them. Okay. And this is Payne's Gray by Amsterdam. I don't like it when I dribble. Let's see if we just touch that. Will it come up? I don't think I have to worry about that much now, so. Alrighty, we'll blow out these with my mini leaf blower. If you want to know where to get one of these, you can message me. You can follow me on YouTube, like and subscribe, and you can see that information there in my descriptions. If your flower area gets a little distorted, you don't have to worry about that. I'm just giving it an extra little puff in some of the darker areas. Okay, we'll let that work out itself. All right. Now we'll work on our flower. Now we have Warm Sunset, also by Art. This is titanium white. And then I have Blue Sapphire. And this is Teal by Amsterdam. cell activator, Australian Floetrol, and titanium white paint from Amsterdam. And this is Payne's Gray, Amsterdam with Floetrol, cell activator. All right, now let's blow that one. I come from up high, looking to catch that just like a bullseye. Okay, now we'll let that sit for a minute. We're gonna let that cell activator do its job. It's a stretchy consistency as we've blown it across the paint. So now it has to come back together. I like to let it do its thing first before I spin it out. Looking pretty good. Let's give it a light spin. Okay, now I take my skewer. I'm going to create my petals. So this area right here, to me, is the center of the flower. So I see the flower facing in that direction. So we're bringing it up to there. Lift straight up so you don't dribble across the flower. It's okay to drag from the leaves into the flower because they are connected in life. There we go. Okay. Now, a little detail on the petals. Make sure to clean off your skewer or whatever it is you're using to work on your painting. Clean it off each time. I like to play in my leaves. Okie doke. And I love me some what I call doodad flowers, which are so much fun. I'll make a couple here. They need to be a little bigger. some leaves too. Now I dip my other end of my skewer in an orange color. Drag right through and connect them. I like to give my little flowers a little accent. Need a little more. And there we go. She is done. Quick little bloom, flower bloom. Let me bring you down. Oh, always make sure you torch your painting after you're done. You can see all the little bubbles popping. I see a few more here though. They're not popping. Maybe need to settle for a minute. All right, let me bring you down close. You can see it better. Wow, that flower came out beautifully with the doodads. They're so sweet, aren't they? I hope you like this video. For more information, please go to my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe so you can see more as it comes along. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Happy painting. Bye now.